Number 1 kicks us off with the key to looking younger because pumpkins are great for your skin. Pumpkins are packed full of nutrients that make your skin radiate. One of the key nutrients is something called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene studies have shown that it can protect your skin. When it is consumed, they are moved around the body to key areas and organs, which include skin. Number 2 is that pumpkins can play a role in controlling your blood sugar levels. Experts say that since pumpkin is a great source of fiber, it can help to regulate your blood sugar levels. Long-term use has been stated to help ward off the chances of diabetes. In lab tests, not only did pumpkin reduce blood glucose levels, but it also helped to improve blood glucose tolerance too. Finally, it also resulted in the increase of the amount of insulin the body produces. Be sure to limit the amount of pumpkin with high amounts of sugar like pumpkin pie because this will negate the effects it has for blood sugar levels. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 3. Not many people know this, but pumpkins have high levels of antioxidants that can help to prevent chronic diseases. Pumpkins contain antioxidants like alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthine. Antioxidants like those help to reduce the levels of oxidative stress in the body built up by free radical damage over time. Free radicals are built up over time in the body, but an excess amount of them can cause chronic illnesses like heart disease and even forms of cancer. Who would have thought, right? Moving on to number 4, pumpkins help to improve the health of your eyes. It's a well-known fact that our eyesight deteriorates as we age. Remember that compound called beta-carotene we mentioned? Well, it helps to make vitamin A, and vitamin A plays a strong role in maintaining your eye health. It also has high levels of 2 eye-friendly nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin. They are directly related in many studies to reducing age-related macular degeneration, which is a common eye disease in older adults. Finally, at number 5, did you know that pumpkins can help you to have a good night's sleep? Pumpkins, more specifically pumpkin seeds, contain an amino acid called tryptophan and the trace mineral zinc. Both of these compounds play a role in the making of a hormone called serotonin. Serotonin is a mood-regulating hormone that helps us not to just relax, but also with getting into a state of deep sleep. Low levels of serotonin can cause the opposite effect of not being able to sleep. This is also the reason that you see baby food with pumpkin in it, because it can help the baby to relax so they fall asleep easier. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.